is steep, the gate is thin, and few shall pass who cling to sin. Though grace extends from shore to shore, the faithful strive to find the door. We heard you teach in sacred sound. You walked among us holy ground, but hearts unturned, though near you stood, are strangers still to all that's good. The feast is set, the bridegroom calls, yet many weep outside the walls, while distant souls from far and wide shall take their place at Jesus' side. The proud shall fall, the meek shall rise, a kingdom seen through heaven's eyes. The last made first, the least made known, their names inscribed before the throne, before the throne. O Christ, the door still open wide. Receive the lost, the crucified.